We have different species of kingfisher. This one is the white kingfisher. We have the blue-breasted kingfisher, the woodland kingfisher, the malagai. The bigger holes beneath are that of crocodiles. Crocodiles most of the time do come out for sunbath during low tide. They can take the advantage of 4 hours of low tide whilst having sunbath. AbCa's Creek, apart from its navigable potentiality, it is a home of different varieties of different species of birds. In the mudflats, it is infested with crustaceans, worms, and different species of invertebrates. That's why during low tide, storks, ibis, herons do come for foraging. We also have birds of prey. That is, we have the osprey, the tawny eagle, the palm-nut vulture that also eat fish from the creek. They are raptors. It is predominantly tilapia and also catfish. It is also a very important source of breeding fish from the main river Gambia. It is a 12-kilometer stretch to Bintang Creek, the famous Bintang Creek of the river Gambia. AbCa's Creek is also tidal, like all other creeks along the river Gambia. We have 6 hours low and 6 hours high tide, with a difference of 1.5 or 1 meters. There are areas that are completely sandbanked when it is low tide.